Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to turn off auto content recognition on your Roku TV. This is a pretty common thing that's on smart TVs where it's basically able to view whatever you're watching on the screen, and it can use that data to better monetize the account that's hooked up to the smart TV. So if you want to turn off this particular tracking on your Roku TV, what we want to do is from our homepage, we're going to go down to settings, and then in our settings, we're going to go over and down to privacy. So going down towards the bottom, and we can find the privacy option there. So then we're going to go over here to the side and then go to the smart TV experience. And opening this up, we can see that auto content recognition, and we're going to click OK on that to turn that off. And it says right here, if enabled, Roku will use auto content recognition to collect content viewing on your devices. And this even includes things like if you have an antenna hooked up to the TV and you're watching channels through that over the air. Connected devices, so if you're plugged in through HDMI or you have a cable box, satellite TV provider, a gaming console, a different streaming device that you have plugged in through HDMI, it can track the content on there, as well as apps. And this is to improve content recommendations and ads. So it's using that additional data to better monetize the profile that is associated with the TV to better serve you ads or recommend shows and different things based on all of the content that it's tracking you to have been viewing over the course of time when using your smart TV. Going back, an additional thing that we can do in the privacy menu is if you don't want personalized advertising, you can also turn this off in the advertising area. Going over and down to the personalized ads options, and you can uncheck that, and you can click where it says don't personalize my ads. This is another way for them not to use that content that they've been tracking to target you and personalize those ads based on your viewing experience. So those are a couple of things that you can do in the privacy area to have less tracking and less data available for the profile that is hooked up to your Roku TV for them to better monetize your account. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.